Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make a beautiful green ice cocktail for those who are trying vodka for the first time. I am sure that this cocktail will definitely give you a good experience. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. So let's start, my vodka lovers. I will put 3 fresh lemon moons into the glass. One and a half ounces of classic vodka. You will be surprised to know that vodka can be produced from any fermentable materials, and it shouldn't contain any color and flavor. 1/4 ounce of blue curacao. Blue curacao is the most popular orange-flavored liqueur, and easily available in the market. Now I will slowly muddle 7 to 8 times to extract flavors and juice from the lemon. Lemon helps to cut the harshness of the alcohol and balance the taste of the cocktail. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tips. Okay, now I will fill the glass with fresh ice cubes. Always use fresh ice cubes, as fresh ice cubes melt slowly and increases the life of the cocktail. Now I will top up the glass with orange juice. This is one of the best cocktails for beginners. And I will be happy if you make this cocktail at your next party and share your experience with me. I will slowly stir the cocktail with a bar spoon. And your beautiful green ice cocktail is almost ready. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now I will garnish this beautiful cocktail with a dehydrated lemon slice. Green ice cocktail is ready for you. Cheers, and drink responsibly. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.